Today we are going to discuss memory area. It has 5 components which we are going to discuss. The 5 memory areas are, the first one is method area, the second one is heap, third one is stack, fourth one is program counter register, and the last one is native method area or stack. Now what is method area? We explained it in our last video. For example, we have a customer.class file which became an input to the class loader, and what the class loader will do, it performs some activities on it and it will check some things like fully qualified class name, it will check class, constructors, methods, variables information, and constant pool information, and another one is it will also check fully qualified parent name. Then it convert it into a binary format into the method area. Method area and heap. See the figure, I am going to explain it. In this figure, class loader reads .class file from the hard disk and store .class file related information into method area in binary format. Then JVM immediately creates object from the binary data to represent the class information. This object is not belongs to a particular class name like customer or student. It is an object of a class. Class is predefined class in Java. Memory area. This is the explained figure of memory area. Heap, method area, runtime, constant pools are the common area for the every class, but PC register, JVM stack, native method stack, it is ready for per thread. What is stack? See this figure. Stack memory is a thread safe as each thread has its own stack memory. Stack memory grows and shrinks itself as new methods are added and removed to stack memory respectively. Access to stack memory is faster as compared to heap memory. Stack memory gets automatically allocated and deallocated after the method completes its execution. Whenever stack memory gets full, an exception called stack overflow exception thrown by Java. What is PC register and native method area or stack? PC register. It stores instructions. It stores the address of the threads responsible for executing current instruction. The size of memory allocated to PC register is very small and fixed in size. What is native method area? It stores similar data elements as a JVM stack and it is used to help executing native means non-Java methods. What is execution engine? Execution engine simply reads the bytecode in units like a machine reading codes line one by one. This is the basic structure of execution engine, but execution engine has a detailed figure, this one. Now we are going to discuss explained figure. First it have interpreter. It reads the bytecode and interprets into machine code and executes them in a sequential manner. What is JIT? JIT compiler counterbalances the interpreter's disadvantage of slow execution and improves the performance. For a compiled method, the JVM directly calls the compiled code instead of interpreting it. What is profiler? It is a tool which is a part of JIT compiler, is responsible to monitor the Java bytecode constructs and operations at the JVM level. What is garbage collector? Garbage collector, this is a program in Java that manages the memory automatically. It is a daemon thread which is always run in the background. What is native method interface and native method libraries? This is the basic structure of execution engine. In this, Java native interface is a framework which provides an interface to communicate with native method libraries written in another language like C, C++, and assembly, etc. Now, this is the complete architecture of JVM. I wanted to show it in the starting of the video, but it looks very confusing and complex. That's why I explained everything in a simpler way. Now you are able to understand it. So subscribe my channel and wait for my next video.